Taxes have a huge impact on estate planning, not just estate taxes on the final amount that you leave to someone, but also things like capital gains taxes on assets that you leave to your family, income taxes that can be an issue, and property taxes for any real estate that you leave to your family. Georgia does not have estate taxes, but the federal estate tax exemption starts at $11.58 million for a single person and $23.16 million for a married couple. Anything over those amounts is taxed at 40% after you pass away. We can avoid estate taxes by creating an irrevocable trust. There are several types of trusts that we can create to protect the assets that you leave to your family. And you can protect almost any type of asset in those trusts. We can put real estate, business ownership, bank accounts, brokerage accounts, anything that you have that has a value into those trusts. Most people are not subject to estate taxes because the exemption amount is so high. But what a lot of people don't consider is the capital gains taxes. A lot of people will put a family member on a bank account or on their house as an owner to try to avoid probate, but then they don't get the full step up for capital gains taxes, which can end up costing them tens of thousands of dollars in taxes. The best option that you have is to hire an attorney to help you plan out your estate so that your family spends as little in taxes as possible. We have extensive experience helping our clients avoid taxes when we are planning their estate. Not only do we need to avoid the estate taxes, but we also need to avoid capital gains taxes. We've helped hundreds of clients go through the process of leaving assets to their family while paying as little in taxes as possible. During your initial consultation, we'll first need to decide if you are over the current estate tax exemption. If you are, there are several types of irrevocable trust that we might need to put in place. If you are under the current federal estate tax exemption, we will probably just create a revocable living trust for you. And if at some point the estate tax exemption is lowered, we can look into other options at that point.